Have you ever woken up feeling like something was just missing? Like that youthful spark, that undeniable vigor had packed its bags and left without a trace? We've all been there, trust me. That feeling of looking in the mirror and not quite recognizing the man who's supposed to be staring back. It's not just about what you see, it's about what you feel. Or rather, what you don't feel anymore. But what if I told you there's a simple, powerful secret, a daily ritual that could reignite that fire, bringing back a confidence you might have thought was long gone? A way to reclaim your mornings, and by extension, your entire life, starting from the moment you open your eyes. This isn't about magic pills or quick fixes. It's about understanding your body and giving it exactly what it craves to thrive. And the best part? It's something you can start tonight. Stay with me, because the wisdom I'm about to share isn't just impactful, it's truly transformative. And the final piece of this puzzle is the most profound. You won't want to miss it. Silent changes. Life throws a lot at us, doesn't it? We're constantly juggling work, family, responsibilities, and somewhere in that whirlwind, we often lose touch with ourselves. We push through, we adapt, we survive. But survival isn't thriving. And sometimes these silent changes creep up on us so subtly that we hardly notice until they've taken root. We start accepting good enough as the new normal. That morning vitality, that unshakable readiness for the day ahead, slowly fades. It's not a dramatic collapse. It's a gradual erosion, like a river slowly carving away at a mountainside. We might dismiss it as age, stress, or just how things are now. But what if that's a lie we've been telling ourselves? What if there's a deeper, more fundamental mechanism at play, one we can actually influence? This isn't about accepting decline. It's about understanding its origins and, more importantly, reversing its course. It's about recognizing that our bodies are incredible machines, and sometimes they just need the right fuel, the right signals to get back to optimal performance. Don't underestimate the power of these quiet shifts, both the ones that diminish us and the ones that can powerfully restore us. It's time to pay attention. Bodily whispers. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us if only we'd listen. They whisper truths, express needs, and signal imbalances long before they shout in the form of symptoms. When that morning vigor starts to wane, it's not a random occurrence. It's a profound bodily whisper. It's a sign that something foundational might be missing or perhaps not operating at its peak. Think of your body as a complex ecosystem. Every part is interconnected, every function reliant on a delicate balance. When one element is out of sync, it creates a ripple effect, impacting everything from your energy levels to your mood, and yes, even your most primal functions. We often overlook the subtle cues because we're so accustomed to external noise. But the internal dialogue is where the real answers lie. This isn't about blaming ourselves, it's about empowering ourselves with knowledge. It's about learning the language of our own physiology, understanding what it truly needs to be vibrant, robust, and full of life. It's a journey of self-discovery where every choice, every nutrient, every small adjustment can lead to monumental improvements in how we feel and function. Nutrient alchemy. So, what are these crucial signals our bodies are trying to send? Often, they point to fundamental nutritional gaps. We live in a world of processed foods and depleted soils, where even a seemingly healthy diet might not be delivering the full spectrum of micronutrients our bodies desperately crave. And when it comes to supporting that deep foundational masculine vitality, there are specific players, key nutrients that act like master keys, unlocking your body's innate power. We're talking about vitamins and minerals that are deeply involved in hormonal balance, blood flow, and cellular regeneration. These aren't just good-for-you generalities. These are targeted, potent elements that can directly impact your ability to wake up feeling strong, confident, and ready to seize the day. It's like finding the missing piece to a puzzle you didn't even realize was incomplete. This isn't about exotic superfoods or complicated regimens. It's about recognizing the power of specific, foundational nutrients that, when supplied consistently and correctly, especially at a time when your body is naturally repairing and regenerating, can make all the difference. This is where the magic of focused supplementation at the right time truly comes into its own. Evening rituals. Now here's where the timing becomes crucial. Many people take their supplements whenever they remember, or just with breakfast. But when we're talking about optimizing for overnight repair and hormonal balance, the evening becomes a truly sacred window. As you wind down, your body shifts gears. It moves from the active catabolic state of the day to a restorative anabolic state. This is when cells are repaired, hormones are regulated, and deep healing occurs. Providing the right nutrients just before this critical phase is like giving your body a blueprint and all the building blocks it needs for its most important nightly work. It's about consciously supporting your body's natural regenerative processes, not fighting against them. This isn't just about taking a pill, it's about creating a ritual, a mindful act of self-care that tells your body, I'm supporting you. Imagine preparing your body for optimal performance while you sleep, allowing it to work its wonders unhindered. This simple shift in timing can amplify the benefits exponentially, turning your nights into a powerful engine for morning vitality. It's a small change with profound impact, a testament to understanding your body's rhythm. Magnesium Maeste. Let's talk about one of these titans, magnesium. Most people are deficient and they don't even know it. This isn't just some obscure mineral, it's involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. Think about that for a second. Its roles range from nerve and muscle function to blood glucose control and critically, bone health and the synthesis of DNA and RNA. But for our purpose tonight, its impact on relaxation and sleep quality is paramount. When you're deficient in magnesium, your sleep can be fragmented, your nervous system overstimulated. By taking it at night, you're not just topping up a nutrient, you're actively promoting a state of calm, deep restorative sleep. This allows your body to truly regenerate, to produce those vital hormones, and to recover from the day's stressors. It's a foundational piece for so many bodily functions, including those that lead to robust morning vitality. Don't underestimate the power of truly restful sleep, and magnesium is a quiet powerhouse in making that happen. It primes your system for a powerful morning, laying the groundwork for everything else. Zinc Zale. Next up, we have zinc. This trace mineral is another unsung hero, especially for men. Zinc plays a pivotal role in immune function, protein synthesis, and cell division, but its connection to testosterone production is particularly significant. Low zinc levels have been directly linked to reduced testosterone. Taking zinc at night helps ensure your body has ample supply during its critical overnight hormone production cycles. It's not about forcing anything, it's about providing the necessary raw materials for your body to perform its natural, powerful functions. Beyond hormones, zinc is crucial for prostate health and overall reproductive well-being. It's like an essential cog in the machinery of male vitality. And just like magnesium, many people simply aren't getting enough from their diet alone. By supplementing strategically at night, you're directly supporting the very processes that contribute to that feeling of waking up charged, ready, and fully alive. It's a simple yet incredibly powerful way to reinforce your body's natural strength and resilience. Vitamin D3 Dynamo. Now for a vitamin that often gets overlooked in this context, vitamin D3. We mostly associate it with sunshine and bone health, but its role extends far beyond that. Vitamin D3 is actually a prohormone, and it's intimately involved in testosterone production and overall endocrine function. Studies have shown a clear correlation between adequate vitamin D levels and higher testosterone. Taking it at night, especially alongside other fat-soluble vitamins, can optimize its absorption and utilization during your body's repair cycles. It's not just about bones, it's about a cascade of benefits that support overall metabolic health, immune function, and yes, that deep, primal, masculine energy. Many of us are deficient, especially during winter months or if we spend a lot of time indoors. Don't underestimate the profound impact a sufficient level of this sunshine vitamin can have on your internal chemistry and consequently on how you feel every single morning. It's a fundamental building block for a truly vital existence, or bliss. And finally, to enhance the absorption and efficacy of these powerhouses, especially vitamin D3, we consider boron. This often forgotten trace mineral acts like a catalyst, a silent orchestrator that helps your body utilize other vital nutrients more effectively. Boron has been shown to support healthy testosterone levels by reducing globulins that bind free testosterone, making more of it available to your body. It also plays a role in magnesium absorption and vitamin D metabolism. So by adding a small amount of boron to your nightly ritual, you're not just taking another supplement, you're supercharging the entire process. You're creating an environment where magnesium, zinc, and vitamin D3 can work their absolute best, amplifying their effects and leading to a more profound, holistic impact on your vitality. It's like putting all the pieces of the puzzle together and then giving them a powerful boost. It's about synergy, about making the whole greater than the sum of its parts. This comprehensive approach is what truly unlocks next-level results. Unstoppable mornings. So, there you have it. A simple yet profoundly powerful nightly ritual involving specific foundational nutrients: magnesium, zinc, vitamin D3, and boron. By integrating these into your evening routine, you're not just taking supplements. You're making a conscious investment in your body's natural ability to restore, repair, and regenerate. You're providing the essential building blocks for optimal hormonal balance, deep restorative sleep, and a revitalized sense of self. Imagine waking up feeling truly rested, with that unmistakable surge of energy, that powerful confidence that says, "I am ready for anything." This isn't just about rock-solid mornings, it's about reclaiming your vitality, your youthful vigor, and your undeniable masculine power, one night at a time. It's about transforming your sleep into your greatest ally in the pursuit of an extraordinary life.